Pollinators are essential to our planet's health. These busy creatures play a crucial role in our ecosystem. They enable plants to produce fruits and seeds. Without them, our food supply and landscapes are at risk. Let's support pollinators for a vibrant future. Creating a pollinator-friendly garden is a rewarding endeavor, transforming your outdoor space into a haven for these essential creatures. It's simpler than you might think. Start by selecting a sunny location, as most pollinators thrive in warmth and sunlight. Ensure your garden offers a variety of flowering plants, blooming throughout the seasons to provide a consistent food source. Next, consider the layout. Plant in clumps or drifts rather than single rows, making it easier for pollinators to access the nectar and pollen. Incorporating a mix of flower shapes and colors will attract a wider diversity of pollinators, each with their preferences. Don't forget to include a water source. A shallow dish filled with pebbles and water will provide a safe drinking spot for your buzzing visitors. Finally, create shelter for pollinators. Leave some areas of your garden undisturbed, allowing natural materials like fallen leaves and twigs to accumulate. These provide nesting sites for beneficial insects. Consider adding a bee hotel or butterfly house for added shelter and a touch of charm to your garden. Remember, by providing food, water, and shelter, you're creating a welcoming oasis for pollinators to thrive. Selecting the right plants is crucial for attracting pollinators to your garden. Native plants are always the best choice, as they have co-evolved with local pollinators and provide the most suitable food and habitat. Research which plants are native to your region and incorporate a diverse selection into your garden. Some excellent choices for attracting pollinators include colorful coneflowers, nectar-rich bee balm, and fragrant lavender. Butterflies are particularly fond of vibrant butterfly weed and delicate asters. For a touch of whimsy, plant sunflowers, which attract bees and provide a delightful visual appeal. When selecting plants, opt for single-petal varieties over double-petal blooms, as they offer easier access to nectar and pollen. Avoid using pesticides in your pollinator-friendly garden, as these chemicals can harm beneficial insects. Remember, the key is to create a buffet of blooms that provide a continuous food source throughout the growing season. By choosing the right plants, you're creating an irresistible haven for pollinators. Section 4. Beyond your backyard, the wider impact of pollinator gardens. While the beauty of a pollinator-friendly garden is undeniable, its impact extends far beyond your backyard. By creating these havens, we contribute to a larger effort to support pollinator populations, which are facing numerous threats. Every patch of blooming flowers, however small, can make a difference. Pollinator gardens also enhance the local ecosystem. They attract beneficial insects that prey on garden pests, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. This creates a healthier environment for plants, animals, and humans alike. Moreover, these gardens contribute to the beauty of our neighborhoods, transforming green spaces into vibrant ecosystems teeming with life. But the impact goes even further. Pollinator gardens serve as valuable educational tools, raising awareness about the importance of pollinators and inspiring others to take action. By sharing your knowledge and passion, you can encourage friends, family, and neighbors to create their own pollinator-friendly spaces. Together, we can create a network of interconnected havens, supporting pollinators across our communities and beyond. Section 5. Join the movement. Plant a seed for the future. Creating a pollinator-friendly garden is a simple yet profound act, one that ripples outwards, impacting the environment and inspiring others. By planting a seed, you're not just cultivating a beautiful garden, you're fostering a healthier future for us all. Imagine a world where pollinator gardens are the norm, where vibrant blooms and buzzing bees are a common sight. It's a future we can create together, one garden at a time. Let's embrace the opportunity to make a difference, transforming our outdoor spaces into havens for pollinators and beacons of hope for a brighter future. Start small, start simple, but most importantly, just start. Plant those nectar-rich flowers, provide a water source, and watch as your garden transforms into a buzzing hub of activity. Share your passion with others, spreading the word about the importance of pollinators and the simple steps we can take to support them. Together, let's create a world where pollinators thrive, ensuring a future filled with the beauty, bounty, and wonder of nature.